Welcome back to my channel everyone. In today's episode we are diving into the heart of Bir. Get ready for an exclusive tour of the incredible Zostel I stayed at. We will explore the vibrant common areas, the cozy corners perfect for meeting the fellow travelers, and of course I'll give you a detailed room tour so you can see where I called home during my adventure. Whether you're planning a trip or just dreaming of one, this is one episode you won't want to miss. So sit back, relax, and let's get started.
And I think that's our room. This is where I was sitting and having my lunch. And this is Olive Kitchen.
You have to taste the mango pie at Olive Kitchen.
There's more sitting area over here. And here is the entire view of the hostel where I'm staying. And there is this beautiful tree house which has a cycle hanging around. So that is the common area where people can just sit and hang around. And then I think even that is a common area. I accidentally went there while I was trying to figure my way out.
As we step inside, the first thing you'll notice is the warm and inviting ambience. Alright, let's dive into the room tour. Check out this view. Imagine waking up to the stunning sight of the Himalayan mountains right outside your window. It's truly breathtaking. Here's the cozy bed with soft linens and plenty of pillows, ensuring you get a restful sleep after a day of exploring Bir. Now let's take a look at the bathroom. It's clean, modern, and comes with all the essentials you'll need, including fresh towels and toiletries. I hope you enjoyed this room tour and stay tuned as we explore more of these hostel and amazing experiences Bir has to offer. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more travel adventures.
You can see people doing paragliding, which is very famous in Bir. And these are like really mighty mountains, which I've been watching since morning, and it has snow in it, like on it. Would love to know people who stay up there. There are more people doing paragliding. Let me show you here.
Have you ever stayed at a hostel or visited Bir? Drop a comment below and let me know. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.